2 pillars. That's all that stands between us and the halfway point of the compression ring. After months of watching this thing grow bolt by bolt, phalange by phalange, we are this close. And that's just one headline today. Llamas going up, LEDs already wired, the shop diamond waking up inside. Let's walk every section. Full update. Let's go. Kicking off at the south lateral corner. And the compression ring is sending signals. Cimbras are being stripped out between completed pillar positions. That's not maintenance, that's acceleration. The team is recycling them straight into the second half of the ring, keeping just one cimbra per pillar going forward. Leaner, faster, more aggressive. The last placed pillar is sitting right on the doorstep of the south goal center line. 2 more pillars, 2 sets of phalanges, and we hit the halfway mark. A massive stockpile of phalanges is already on site, pressure washed clean and staged. First vertical ceramic llamas are going up at the south goal lateral corner. Not prep work, not superstructure. Actual llamas on the wall, exactly where they belong. And it gets better. LED spotlights are already mounted on the facade. 2 per llama. Green electrical cable running at llama height, live and connected. This corner is transforming in real time. Every day it looks less like a construction site and more like the render we've been staring at for years. Flip to north goal and it's the exact same story. 2 pillars short of the halfway point, matching south goal step for step. But look closely at one of the phalanges already placed. No cimbra underneath. Just pernos connecting it to the viga radial. Hanging there, perfectly still, holding its own weight on pure engineering. That's the precision this project is built on. Material is staged, pillars are ready. Both sides of this stadium are pushing toward that halfway milestone together. Over at the lateral, the shop diamond is alive. Interior crews are inside working ceiling sections. First machinery is in. Outside, workers are clearing debris and leveling ground around the structure. That's groundwork for what comes after the diamond is done. And at the South Goal Tribuna corner, escalators have landed on site. Installation into the nucleus access points is coming. This whole section is stacking progress on top of progress. The webcam does not lie. Third-tier seating across the lateral is looking sharp. Steps formed, structure solid, ready to be filled. But September opening. That's a stretch. Waterproofing still has serious ground to cover, and the premier occupation permits are nowhere near granted yet. The construction side is doing its job. The finishing work and the paperwork need to move faster. September was always ambitious. Don't be surprised if that date shifts. Structure is ahead. Everything else needs to catch up. Halfway compression ring incoming. First llamas vertical at South Goal. LEDs live on the facade. Shop diamond operational inside. This stadium is building momentum every single week, and we are not missing a moment of it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you Tuesday. Visca el Barça.